So good morning all. Welcome to New Tiri town. This town is situated about 110 kilometers from Dehradun and 72 kilometers from Rishikesh. As you can see, two roads are going from here. The upper road, it goes to the administrative offices of New Tiri town, and the road which is going down, that leads to Boradi and our college. So enjoy the journey and thank you. Have a nice day. Welcome to State IHM New Tiri. My name is Abhishek Chauhan and I'll be giving you a property round of the complete institute today. I hope you and your family are doing well and are safe during this pandemic situation. So please follow me for the property round. Thank you. First floor of the institute. This is the first lab in the floor. This is known as front office lab. As you know, front office is the first and the last department where the guest comes and interacts. So this is one of the most important labs in the hotel operations. And over here the students learn about the different practicals related to front office. So as you can see, this is the foreign exchange rate board. Over here, the different currency rates, they are displayed and they are changed on a daily basis as per the rates given by the Reserve Bank of India. And these rates are used for the foreign exchange which are done in the hotels. So please follow me. So I will be telling you about the different equipments which are placed in the front of the slab. So first, this is known as the reception counter. Over here, the registration formalities for the guests that take place. This is the bell desk counter. Over here, the team of bell desk, they stand over here, and the team comprises of the bellboy, the bell captain and the senior bell captain. Normally the bell desk is responsible for the luggage handling and to do miscellaneous jobs which are provided by the management and the guests. So this is the luggage trolley. Luggage trolley is required during the arrival and departure of any FIT guest in the hotel. And this is a bigger luggage trolley. As you can see, this is a bigger version of the luggage trolley. This is known as bellhop trolley. This is normally meant for the luggage handling of the groups which arrive in the hotel during their arrival and the departure. This is a magazine holder. Over here, the different magazines related to the hotels and tourism, they are placed for the guest convenience. They can have a look and they can read the magazines from here. This is again the luggage trolley, you can see. This is the pigeonhole. Over here, the registration cards of the guests, they are placed. This is the luggage trolley again. And front office is often regarded as the mirror of the hotel and the communication hub of the hotel. So this is one of the most important departments of the hotel. And all the practicals related operations, they are taking place over here. And as you can see, there are different watches placed over here. The different timings of New Delhi, New York, Tokyo and London are taken as a standard for the students' reference. So as you can see, this is the Shaurya Diwar. It is also known as Wall of Fame, and this was procured and provided by the Uttarakhand government to our institute. This wall is related to the martyrs who had sacrificed their lives for the nation. So welcome again. So this is the ground floor of the institute, and in this floor we have 2 classrooms, 1 bakery lab and 1 kitchen over here, BTK, basic training kitchen. So please follow me. So this is the first classroom of the floor. This is the lecture hall number 1. All the classroom teaching over here is done through the PowerPoint presentations. We have projectors placed in each and every classroom for the convenience of students for notes taking. Please follow me for the second classroom. So this is the second classroom of the floor. This is the lecture hall number 2. So as you can see, this is the notice board of the institute. Over here, the latest happenings which come from the university and the institute level, they are placed over here for the students' convenience, and they can come to know about the happenings of the institute and the university. So this is the first lab of the floor. This is the bakery and confectionery lab. Over here the students learn how to prepare bakery products.
Myself, Pradeep Negi, Assistant Professor, State Institute of Hotel Management, UK. This is our bakery lab where we used to prepare various kinds of breads, cakes, pastries, breakfast items that are being prepared in the bakery in the hotels. So when we start to prepare any of the dish, this is our working table. Here we do all our mise en place in the table. These are like small equipments that are being used in our bakery, such as cake tins, muffin molds are there, jug measures are there, whisk are there, souffle bowls are there, mixing bowls are there, bread tins are there, donut molds are out here. There are some sponge tins also. This is a planetary mixture where we used to make the dough in a small quantity, and if you want to pour puff the cream or eggs, you can do it in the planetary machine. These are our ovens where we can prepare pizzas, different kinds of breads, different kinds of rolls, different kinds of sponges into it, breads, cookies, etc. This is a double-deck oven. Here also we used to prepare the same thing as I told you before. This is the proving chamber. Whenever we need to prove something, such as breads or any other dough, we use proving chamber, because in our nucleus, as the temperature is very low, so we need to use proving chamber for it. This is our cooking rack, cooling rack. Cooling rack is used whenever we prepare any dish. We used to cool it down in the cooling rack. This is a double door switch. This is basically used to keep all the mise en place. This is a dough machine. When we used to make a dough in a large amount, we used to use this machine. This is a sugar grinder, wheat, spices grinder. Whatever we need to grind, we used to grind into it. There are different kinds of cutter that are being used at here, and we can grind anything in this. This is again a single deck oven where we used to prepare our pizzas, cookies and different breads.
So in continuation to the ground floor, the earlier lab which we had a look, that was the bakery and confectionery lab. So this is the first kitchen lab of the institute. This is known as BTK. basic training kitchen. Over here the practicals for food production for the first year and second year students take place.
Good afternoon. This is our basic training kitchen, which is for our first year and second year students. So basically, this lab, we used to prepare all our food production dishes that are of the concern topics of first year and second year students. Basically what we do, we used to prepare a menu of the first year and second year students, and we noted down the menu on the whiteboard, and we used to explain the students before starting our practical very deeply regarding the menu, the origin of the place of the dishes, the country of origin, the calorific value of the food, the ingredients of the food, and the method. And after that we used to start doing our practical. What we used to do, we used to prepare the batches of the students, like we can say 5 students in a batch, and they used to do in that working table, then 5 students in this working table, then 5 students in the third working table, 5 students in the fourth, and 5 students in the fifth working table. So basically this is the center table, or we say as working table, where the student used to do their mise a plat of all the food that is concerned with the menu. Our pot wash area, where we used to clean all our pots. This, after cleaning the pots, we used to stack it down into the pot rack and the utensils rack. This is our working table, where the student used to cook the food. And each station has a particular equipment kept below for preparing the mise a plat or for the preparation of the food. As you will see here, there are chopping boards, there are the mise a plat trays kept here, there are the baking trays being kept below. And the whole kitchen is being equipped with the centralized gas plant. We have a gas tank outside, so we can operate all the worktops, or we can say workstation, at the particular time, at the similar time. This is our flat top, where we used to prepare such as dosa, grilled vegetables, or if you want to grill chicken or any other kind of meat on the top of it. This is our Chinese range, where we used to prepare different types of soups and different types of dishes, Chinese dishes in this range. It is being connected with the water taps also. This is a high pressure burner range, when we used to cook a bit high quantity or in a bulk quantity, we used to use both the ranges. This is a 4-door fridge, which we used to keep all the vegetables and the mise a plat into it. This is our sandwich griller. We used to prepare different kinds of sandwiches into it. Basically, the grilled sandwiches are being prepared in the griller. This is a salamander. When we want to give a nice color to the dish, or we want to reheat the food, we used to use salamander. This is our deep fat fryer. Basically, this is a professional deep fat fryer, which are used in the large hotels and even the cruise liners. And basically, it is used for frying the food. This is our slicing machine, or we say it is a gravity slicer. We used to slice different types of food item into it, whether it's bread, you can slice bread, you can slice cheese, you can slice carrot, you can slice radish and different kinds of vegetables as per the thickness you need. So it gives a perfect shape and size to your ingredients.
This is the computer lab of the institute. There are different desktops placed in the institute, in the lab, for students' convenience for the practicals.
Namaskar, welcome to State IHM Computer Lab. In our computer lab, we have 18 computers, and in all these computers, Photologix software has been installed, which is required for the Photologix practical. Here, students can search any topic related to their subject or the assignments that have been given to the students. We also make sure that all the computers are updated time to time so that the students can perform their tasks, which is given by the faculties, and they complete their tasks time to time. Thank you.
Joining the computer lab, you can see this is the faculty room come examination section of the institute. Over here, different faculties, they have a seat. They have been provided with individual desktops so that they can make the relevant assignments which is given to the students during the course. So as you can see, these are the almiras which are related to examinations. All the data related to examinations are kept in these almiras according to the batch wise. The data of examination has been stored over here for the student reference for future purpose. And again, adjoining this is the faculty room again, you can have a look. So in continuation to the property round of the institute, this is the next lab of the institute. This lab is known as the housekeeping lab. Housekeeping is considered as the backbone of hotel operations, as housekeeping takes care of the maintenance and the cleanliness of the guest rooms and the public areas of the hotel. So there should be a coordination between front office and housekeeping, as the major source of revenue in the hotels is money, revenue, that is rooms. Selling of rooms is done by the front office department and the clearing of the room is done by housekeeping department. So there should be a good coordination among the two departments. So I'll be showing you the different equipments which are placed in the housekeeping lab. Please follow. So this is the first equipment which is used in the housekeeping operations basically. This is known as the linen cart trolley. The linen cart trolley is used to supply the soiled linen from the guest rooms or the floors to the laundry area and to carry the fresh linen from the laundry area to the concerned respective guest rooms. The next equipment, this is known as the maid's cart trolley. Maid's cart trolley is also known as chambermaid trolley, and this trolley is normally used by the room boys or the room attendants of the hotel or the rooms, whose main function is to clear the rooms and make the rooms clean for the guest intake. So as we can see, there are two parts of this trolley. This part is used for the garbage disposal, and this is used to carry the linen, soiled linen basically. And as you can see, there are different shelves divided over here. These shelves are used to carry fresh linen from the laundry and to be taken to the concerned respective guest floors. Caddy, as you can see, in this hand caddy, various cleaning items, cleaning agents are placed for the room attendants to clean the guest rooms. This is the cloth dry hanger stand. Whenever we get any laundry which has to be laundered, or it has to be dry cleaned, or it has to be washed from the guests, so we take the help of these hangers and we dry the clothes of the guest in these hangers stand. So as you can see, this is the floor buffing and polishing machine. This is used in the hotels to clean all those non-carpeted floors which needs to be polished and buffed and cleaned. As you can see, these are the vacuum cleaners which are used by the room attendants or the room boys to clean dry floors. Now, this is again another vacuum cleaner which is used in the hotels. This is from Eureka Forbes company, and this is used to clean the wet and the dry floors of the hotel and the public areas. Moving forward, you can have a look. This is the washing machine. This is normally used in the laundry section of the housekeeping department. As I told you before also, this machine is used to clean and launder all the guest linen which comes from the guest rooms. as we can see, there are two parts in this machine. This is used for washing purpose, and this part is used for drying purpose. This is normally known as the spinner of the washing machine. So this is the electronic washing machine. It is from the Samsung brand, and you will find all these equipments normally in the laundry section. This is again the linen cart trolley, as we have discussed before also. Linen cart trolley is used to carry the fresh linen from the laundry part to the guest room or the public areas if required, and to carry the dirty linen from the guest rooms to the concerned laundry of the hotel. So this is the ringer trolley. This is normally meant to clean the floors of the hotel. So moving forward, this equipment you will find in almost every guest room in the hotel. This is known as the mini bar. In the mini bar, we have various supplies which are placed for the guests, like we have juices, we have squashes, we have wine bottle, we have beer bottle, even we have chocolate syrups over here for the guests. Almonds, peanuts are also placed over here, and these are on a chargeable basis for the guests. So this is the iron, you can see. In the laundry section, we have iron and ironing board for the guest convenience. If they want to have their linen iron, then they can do it from here. This is the ironing board, as you can see. And last, we have a twin bed placed over here. The twin bed is meant for two people who are staying in the hotels, and the room which has two single beds is known as a twin room basically. In extreme cases, if the occupancy level of the hotel is high, we can accommodate two strangers also over here, in some cases, rare cases. So this bed is known as a twin bed basically. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. So this is the next slab of the kitchen in the floor. This is known as QTK. The expanded form of QTK is Quantity Training Kitchen. And over here the food production practicals for the third year students that take place.
Namaskar, good afternoon, welcome again. This is our QTK, which means Quantity Training Kitchen, which is meant for third year students. And basically QTK means Quantity Production Lab. This is the Quantity Production Lab, or we can say as Bulk Production Lab. So this is basically the high burner range where we used to cook in big pots, 20 liter pots, 30 liter pots and 40 liter pots. This is our tandoor where we used to prepare all our Indian snacks into it, such as tandoori chicken, malai tikka, fish tikka, paneer tikka, and different Indian breads that are tandoori roti, yalla chapata and naan, missi roti, etc. This is basically again the hot plate, or you can say a flat top, basically for grilling the vegetables or the meat. These are pot racks. This is your dishwashing or for cleaning of the vegetables and fish or other things. This is our braising pan, or we used to say tilting pan. In this tilting pan or braising pan, we used to prepare different types of rices. We can prepare different types of meats into it, such as braised meat, stewed meat into it. We can even fry things into it, such as chicken piccata into it. This is basically the knob, on and off knob of it. This is steam kettle. The use of the steam kettle is to prepare different types of soups or to boil any other thing like potatoes you can boil into it, or you can prepare rice into it. The very basic thing is that of the steam kettle is that it is being covered into the two layers and things don't get burned into it. We can keep it for a long time, whatever we used to prepare into it. This is a pulverizer machine, basically used prepare the puree of tomatoes and onions. These are different cutters for it. This is just for the thickness, if you want to make it thin or if you want to make it thick. This is again a potato peeler machine. Basically the work of potato peeler machine is to peel the skin of the potato. These are basically the ranges for our bulk cooking as required for our quantity training kitchen. These are our working station, or we used to prepare the mise en place in this working table. And these are the equipments. There are pot racks, there are mise en place balls, there is agility, plate, frying, colanders, conical strainers, etc. This is a double door fridge. Whatever we used to cook, we used to keep it out here, or the mise en place, the vegetables, we used to keep it out in the fridge.
So adjoining the QTK kitchen is the QTK pantry. You can have a look.
Good afternoon and welcome again. This is our quantity training kitchen pantry, where we used to prepare different kinds of salads that are used for the buffet. This is basically the mise en place area, and we used to do our mise en place. These are the utensils rack, and if you want something hot, we used to cook in the burner ranges. This is your dishwashing machine, basically, where we used to clean small utensils such as a spoon, fork. We used to keep it out here, and we used to put detergent into it, and small plates, your glasses, B&B plates, full plates, fish plates. We can stack it out, and we can even stack small pots into it, and our utensils get clean after a few minutes into it. Thank you.
So this is the lecture hall number 3. This is taken as a demo class. Over here the demonstration classes are taken by the respective faculties of the institute.
A very welcome to our training restaurant. Here we train our students for the different types of food services. Please. So this is our training restaurant. The restaurant has a capacity of 40 covers. 40 covers means that at one time 40 students can have their meals sitting over here. Here we train our students to serve different types of foods and different types of services and different types of meal, plus how to communicate with the guest when the guest comes, and all those different types of services also. Now I'll be showing you the different equipments which we are having in our restaurant. So basically this is the side station. Depending upon the capacity of our restaurant, like I have already said that we have 40 covered restaurant, we have 4 side stations simultaneously, where the student here the side station have different types of spoons, cutlery, crockery. So basically the side station is meant so that whenever students are working in the table, they can have the supporting equipment stacked over here, and then they places the equipment over here. Like as you can see, we have set a table of 2 where this is the proper setup for the fine dine setup for the students, which they learn that how to do a setup, how the glasses are being arranged in the tables, and all these things are there. Now then we also have a live audio visual aid where we show students different types of videos and other things, so that students can also learn by seeing them practically. Now coming forward, we have a temporary bar setup. The bar is proposed to be made over in the other area, but we have temporary bar setup. Here you can see we have different types of crushes, and here we train our students for making different types of mocktails and cocktails and different types of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Coming here over here, we also have ice cube making machines also, so that students can then see different types of new equipments which are being used in the industry nowadays, as well as they can get familiar with the different types of equipments which are being used in the industry. Then we have a buffet setup over here where we teach students how to cater a big gatherings and how to serve food during the big parties and all this. This is the basic setup which we have done. We have electronic stuffing dishes. These are latest equipments which are being used in the industry. As I have already told, we tend to educate students with the new equipments and machineries which are being used in the industry, so that whenever they go to the industry for their jobs, they can be familiar with these equipments. Then, as I have already told you, the side station, we have another side station over here. Same thing is there. You can see different types of equipments and cutleries and crockeries are being stored, where students take these cutleries and crockeries and then set up different types of tables. So this was our restaurant. Now attached to the restaurant we have a still room. I'll be showing the still room. So basically, still room is meant for the restaurant, so that the basic preparations and other supporting things are done over here, like tea and coffee making, juice makings, and breads and all the other things are being stacked over here. As you can see, we have different cupboards over here, where we store supporting equipments and cutlery crockeries for the restaurant, so that during the operation hours, during the live training session, students can take cutlery crockeries from here also and then conduct practicals. As you can see, the cutleries and crockeries are being stacked over here, different miscellaneous equipments which are being used in the practicals. Then also we have glassware section, where we store different types of glasses which are being used. Then according to the setup of the restaurant and practical, the students take glasses from here and then set up over there. Coming over here, we have one toaster and griller also. Like as I said, the still rooms are the different breads are being toasted from here. This is a one toaster griller. Then next to this we have a coffee grinder, coffee bean grinder. The coffee beans are being grinded over here for the coffee makings. Then we have a blender over here for making smoothies and shakes, all those. Then we have two types of coffee machines. As I have told you that we train students so that whenever they go to the industry, they can be familiar with the equipments which are being used. Now, coming to the coffee machine, we have one traditional coffee machine, so that students can learn also the type of traditional coffee machine which were being used earlier in the industry. Then we have a new latest coffee machine. This is the espresso coffee machine. The coffee powder grinded over there is being put over here, and then coffee is made. This type of machine can make 7 to 8 different types of coffees which are served in the industry. Same thing is done over here in the still room. The students makes coffee, and then the coffee is being served to the guest sitting over there. Then coming, we have one refrigerator also to stack different types of juices and all those things over here. This is the coffee machine. Thank you. This was our tour of restaurant and still room.
Moving on, this is the next lab of the kitchen department. This is known as ATK. The full form of ATK is Advanced Training Kitchen. And over here, the food production practicals related to the final year elective year students that take place.
Namaskar, good afternoon, welcome again. This is our ATK kitchen, advanced training kitchen. Basically, this is for the 4th year, we can say final year student of our institute. These are the ranges where we used to give them a particular menu to the students, and they used to prepare the dishes. We used to put up the menu on the whiteboard, and we used to describe them, the cooking methods, and the student used to prepare all the dishes by themselves. And this finally students shows up their skills by making the plate presentation, each and everything by their own. So basically, two students, the group of two students are being placed in a particular table and a particular race for them. This is a grill and a flat top. Both are included in this. If they want to use a flat top, they can use flat top, or if they want to do something, they can do it on the grill. All the equipment are being laid on the station below. With Chinese range again. If there is a international cuisine practical of Chinese, they used to prepare the dishes on the Chinese range. This is a pot wash area and the dishwash area. This is our convection oven, and they generate in both by the dry heat method and by the steam method. So there are both the methods applied in this oven, the dry heat or the steam method. If you want to do, if you want to cook something in steam, you can cook in steam, and if you want to dry roast or braise any item, you can do it in convection method or dry heat method. This is microwave. You can basically microwave is used to reheat the food into a particular utensils. This is our salamander. This is basically to show, give a nice color to any particular dish. We have some pots and utensils being kept here that are being used during our practical session. Refrigerator and a double door fridge where we used to keep all our vegetables and meat items into it. This is our office. Thank you.
Moving forward, this is the next department of the institute. This is the stores department. Over here, the various items and ingredients which are required for various practicals, they can be requisitioned from here. So in this floor, we have two more classrooms, that is the lecture hall number 4 and lecture hall number 5. As I told you before also, all the classroom teaching is done by the help of PowerPoint presentations and the projectors. So this is the lecture hall number 5, the next classroom of the floor. So in continuation to the property round of the institute, this is the 3rd floor of the institute, and in this floor we have the library.
Namaskar.
So we we have a total of 1700 books over here related to different subjects of hospitality management. As you can have a look, food production books are placed over here. Again, food production books for student reference. This is the rack for food and beverage services books. Food and beverage services again. Front office books again. We have a wide variety of Indian authors and foreign authors books. Housekeeping department. Now these are the books related to management. Like you can have a look, the books for principles of management, organizational behavior and environmental management are also placed for the students. Marketing management, human resource management and food science and nutrition books. These are the books again: hospitality, human resource management and Indian perspective, business communication and hotel engineering. The books related to computer applications, tourism and hospitality, hospitality management, hotel laws, hygiene and sanitation, cruise operations, research methodology, hotel accounts and basic French. So as I told you, all the books related to hotel management subjects, they are kept over here and the students can come to the library, they can take the book, they can issue the book from here and they can have a read. So these are the different project reports and logbooks which have been submitted by the students who have undergone their internships. These are kept here for future reference. Whenever the college requires them, they can have a look. The different magazines related to hospitality business again, they are placed over here so that the students can enhance their knowledge and skills related to hospitality arena. The magazines again related to the hotel management, hospitality management. These are the reference books related to different subjects. As you can have a look. We have the books placed for food and beverage services, food production, front office, and all the major subjects of the hotel management course. Now, these are the international journals related to hospitality management. Our faculties, they write research papers and then they publish it in the research journals as well. So our institute is also looking forward to start off with the e-library now, so that the students, they can have a look at different books which are worldwide spread and they can enhance their knowledge. Thank you. So moving forward, this is the administrative block of the institute. Over here, the various administrative posts, they have a seat over here, and inside we have the director's table. So this is the director's cabin. You can have a look, please. So in addition to the property round of the institute, this is the hostel of the institute. Over here the students stay who belong to out of station. So please follow me and have a look. The hostel of the institute is well equipped with CCTV cameras for the surveillance of the
Namaskar, very welcome to the SIHM hostel. I am the hostel warden of the hostel. My name is Hitesh Ramola. I will be taking you for the tour of the hostel. Starting from here, this is my office, so that the students can access me anytime. I also live over here only. Then next to my office is the sick room. This room is basically meant for the students. Those who feel sick can stay over here, and we have separate bathroom facility for him, so that it will be easy during his sickness that he can use all these facilities. And as you can see, this is next to my room also, so that we can give him a personal care also here. Then coming down over here, then we have the hostel warden assistant room here, where students deposit their fees and their students' records are being maintained over here. And it is also my second office, where I usually sit in during working hours. Then we have a cafeteria, hostel cafeteria. The hostel cafeteria has a total sitting of 40 students. 40 students can sit over here and can have meals. We have a separate, as you can see, we have a main area where food is being served to the students. Then we have fully operational kitchen over here, where food is being cooked for the students. Then in the first floor we have the student resident rooms, where the students the rooms are over here for the students. Where students live, you can see. We have total capacity of 30 beds over here. There are 10 rooms, and each room has 3 beds, 3 almiras, and 3 study chairs also. Then coming down here, we have one bathroom on each side of the floor. These are our rooms, you can see here. This is one of our bathroom. The bathroom is fully equipped with the geysers for the hot and cold water. We have 24-hour hot and cold water facility in the hostel also. Then one of the important feature of our hostel is that we provide students 24-hour Wi-Fi facility. Plus we have 24-hour CCTV security facility. On the side of the floor we have 5 rooms also over there, and a separate bathroom for the students. In this floor we have 2 bathrooms for the students. Each bathroom contains 4 toilets and 2 bathroom facilities.
So this was the property round of the complete institute, State IHM New Delhi. We look forward for you to come over here and have a look at the institute. Thank you so much for watching the video, and have a nice time. Thank you.